welcome back to another video with Naturally D. So as you guys could tell, I am getting right into this video. Right now I just showed you my butters, my emulsifier, and then this is my oils, and then this brown stuff, this jelly looking stuff is my flaxseed gel. So in this video I am going to show you guys how I make my curling flaxseed cream. I do double boil all of my butters and my emulsifiers, and once that's all melted down, I do mix everything together. Now you guys, this next clip I absolutely love how the emotion of the oils and butters and gel combined. It's just so amazing how I guess chemistry works. So when you are emulsifying things like oil and water and butter and water, you always want to make sure that you're really blending it up very well, because if it's not, sooner or later the oils are going to start separating and it's going to create just kind of like oil pools, I guess, in your product. Trust me, it's happened before with me, so I know. So make sure that when you guys are emulsifying anything, make sure that you guys know for a fact that it's really blended well, because you do not want your end product to end up separating and just all of your ingredients go to waste. Once I know everything is really well blended, I put them in the container. When the liquid is still very watery, this consistency does thicken up a little bit and it is kind of like sticky, like almost. But I do like to put all of my products into the containers before it gets too thick, because it does get harder when it is thicker. And I do always measure my products. I do not like adding any more or any less products, because that's either money lost on my end or money that I feel like I'm stealing from my customers. So I always measure my products. So I wanted to show you guys how this product looks in my hair. Now I know everybody does not have my hair texture, but I do want to show you guys that this product does really work for curly hair. As you could tell, I am separating all of my hair and I am putting a good amount of water and product in my hair. Now at the same time, this product a little bit does go a long way. So like as you guys will see, I'm not putting like that much into my hair, but then even like for my ends, I'll put just a little bit on my tips, and I kid you not, you guys like see that little bit right there? Put it on my ends and it just works beautifully. You guys, when my hair dries, my hair feels very moisturized. It doesn't get crunchy. The curls honestly stay curly or really juicy looking for a good 2 to 3 days if I do really take care of it like at night. But you guys, if you guys really do want to try out this recipe, I really urge you um, to check it out. I do eventually plan on making an ebook of a lot of the things that I do make, because I do know a lot of people want to know how to make lotions and creams, facial serums and stuff like that. So I feel like an ebook for you guys would be amazing. So this would be one of the things that I do put in there so you guys could have the ingredients and the measurements of how to make this awesome cream. And all of these creams and stuff like that, you do not always have to use like the same ingredients. You guys could always add oils and butters that you guys like, or that your hair or that your skin really do like. So right now I am going to just stop talking for the rest of the video, you guys. I truly do appreciate you guys watching the video this long, and I do hope you guys liked this video. Even though I did not tell you guys the measurements or the ingredients of this hair cream, I do want to show you guys that it is possible and it is super easy to do. So again, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys come and visit again for my next video. My next video, you guys, is going to be amazing. I'm talking about 5 things that small businesses do not do that I truly believe are important to where small businesses are losing out on money. So you guys watch out for that video. I would say I'm putting it on Monday. So Monday, April 26th, watch out for that video. And you guys, if you're a small business, this video is made for you guys. So again, thank you guys for the 3rd time for coming to my video and my channel. And if you guys haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. Please make sure you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, so every time I post a video, you guys are notified. Again, you guys, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Bye.